Can you do this, please?
2, okay.
Veda. Okay. Can you do this, please?
That's 3.
Yeah. Can you do that, please?
That's blue and this is yellow and that's red and that's blue.
So put the 3 in the right box, please.
Okay, there's no space.
Which color is that in your hand?
Blue.
So it goes on which row?
That.
Yeah, correct. Can you do this, please?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Veda.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mama, how we made this activity?
I made it using cardboards, black pen, and color pens.
Is that paint or pen color?
I think it's paint.
That's 5.
Okay, which
So
color?
that's green.
Okay.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I swapped the side. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Which color?
Yellow.
Okay.
Oh. It's same yellow.
Yeah.
And same blue and same green.
Can you do this, please? Can you do this, please?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Can you do this, please?
1. Okay. Now I'm gonna do
Is
this.
it correct?
No. Is that correct?
No.
Is that better?
No.
Is that better?
No.
It's in green.
Yeah, but this number is 3. How many dots are there?
1.
So where should it be?
Right here. Green is green. What you say?
This is number 3 column.
Yes.
The row is correct, but the column?
It's not correct.
Yeah. So where should it be? Column 1, where it has got 1 dot.
I put it right here.
Is that correct now?
Yes.
Why?
Because we have to listen to the rules.
Yeah. So what are the rules? What 2 things we need to check once we get a card? We need to check the number of count, the number of dots.
And you have to
Match the color.
And match the color and spot the puzzles of in which color where that goes.
Yeah. So see, the row is correct. Green.
Yes. Green
And the column?
Is column
1.
number.
1. Does it match?
Yes, 1
Yeah.
of 1.
Yeah.
So I'm going to count it.